Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2019, on a 19-plate Suzuki Swift Sport. This is the 1.4 Boosterjet petrol with a 6-speed manual gearbox and 5 doors, finished in this stunning champion yellow, and it's covered just 25,000 miles. So have a good walk round of this fantastic looking Swift Sport. We've had a few of these newer shape Swifts, but we've never had the Sport model, and I've got to say we're very impressed. Puts a big smile on your face. 1.4 turbocharged petrol with 140 brake horsepower, 6-speed manual gearbox, goes ever so well. We've got these 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, 5-door practicality, really good service history with the car. 5 stamps in the book, very recently serviced, so it's been serviced every year. The first 4 were at Suzuki as well, I believe. So properly well maintained. Fuel filler cap is a factory feature. Got these lovely twin tailpipes at the back. Have a look at the pictures on the website. It'll show the colour in a slightly, it was clouded over at the time when I took the pictures, so you'll see the true colour a bit better than in this sunlight, but it really does look the part. You still get sensible running costs, so Suzuki say that you can still average 50 miles to the gallon on a combined run, sensible insurance group as well, so it's still very usable day to day, but a quick little car when you want it to be. So it ticks an awful lot of boxes. Obviously got the reliability that comes with a Japanese car as well, and the spec, really good. You've got those diamond cut alloy wheels, it's got keyless entry, and then as we have a look inside, really nice condition. All the seats in really good shape. The sport seats, so they do hug you nicely. You've got the Sport embossed in a few places. Bits of red stitching and red panelling. All the door cards are in good nick. It does come supplied with 2 remote keys, 4 electric windows, electronically adjustable and power folding door mirrors. It's got its original sport carpet mats. Up above, you've got lane assist, start-stop facility which you can switch off. It is a start-stop engine as well. And then onto the steering wheel, which again, really good shape. It's like a cut-off steering wheel. You've got your cruise control with speed limiter, adaptive cruise. There's your lane assist. Radio controls, you've got your Bluetooth controls down below. Automatic lights. Manual handbrake, cup holder at the back. 6-speed manual gearbox, couple of cup holders. You've got a USB, auxiliary, 12-volt socket. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. And then it's your typical newer Suzuki setup on the inside. So foot on the clutch, away we go. There's your mileage, 25308, and then we'll just let the infotainment warm up. So it's got climate control as opposed to just air conditioning, and then up to your touchscreen system, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth for your telephone. Quite sunny this afternoon. Satellite navigation. There we go, and it knows where we are. Can link your smartphone as well, and if I put the car into reverse, nice big reversing camera at the back. So really nice level of spec, easy to use. It's got a nice little burble to it. Good fun. Door handles are at the top to get into the rear. And again, you've got your carpet mats, really nice condition. Excuse the sunlight, it's getting to that time of year now. 3 proper headrests with 3 seat belts. Of course you get the ISOFIX with the child seats as well. So like I say, very usable 5-seater car. And then into the boot space. Parcel shelf at the top, split folding rear seats. And then you do get plenty of room in there as well, so best of all worlds with something like this. Cheap to run, but still really good fun. August 2019, Suzuki Swift Sport, 1.4 turbocharged petrol, 6-speed manual gearbox, 25,000 miles, 3 former keepers, 5 stamp service history, serviced every year. Lovely, lovely spec, and sensible fuel consumption as well. Finance is available from less than £230 a month based on a 10% deposit, and the car will come supplied with a fresh advisory-free MOT along with 2 keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us via email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk, and for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Lovely little car, put a big smile on your face and certainly stand out from the crowd. Really good value for money too, so I'm sure this will be popular. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next.